Welcome to Suria KLCC, one of Malaysia's most iconic shopping malls. Located right at the base of the world-famous Petronas Towers in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. Today, I'm taking you on a walkthrough to explore the shops, the food, and experiences that make this place a must-visit destination. As we walk around, I'll tell you more about the location. Suria KLCC is part of the Kuala Lumpur city center. It's directly connected to major hotels, the KLCC Park, and the convention center. The mall's architecture is elegant, modern, and spacious, with high ceilings, lots of natural light, and views of the Twin Towers and the outside park. Suria KLCC houses over 300 stores across 6 levels. You'll find everything from high-end luxury brands like LV, Chanel, and Gucci to more affordable and accessible names like Uniqlo, H&M, Zara, and Muji. There's also a wide variety of specialty shops from tech and electronics to local handcrafts and souvenirs. Prices here range from budget-friendly fashion pieces under 100 Malaysian ringgits, around $20, to luxury items that go well into the thousands. It's a great place whether you're shopping for a new outfit, a special gift, or just want to window shop in style. When it comes to food, Suria KLCC has everything. From casual food courts with Malaysian street food like nasi lemak, satay, and laksa to international chains like KFC, McDonald's, and Pizza Hut. And if you're in the mood for something fancier, head to places like Din Tai Fung for Chinese cuisine or Madame Kwan's for authentic Malaysian dishes. There are also stylish cafes like Starbucks Reserve, the Coffee Bean and Dome perfect for a relaxing coffee break. Prices vary. A quick meal at the food court might cost about $3 to $5, while a full sit-down dinner might go up to 100 Malaysian ringgits or more, depending on the restaurant. Suria KLCC isn't just for shopping. It's also home to Aquaria KLCC, an impressive oceanarium that's great for families. Right next door, you'll find Petronas, an interactive science discovery center loved by kids and adults alike. There's also a large cinema, TGV Cinemas, where you can catch the latest blockbusters, including IMAX screenings. And don't miss the KLCC Park right outside with its fountains, playgrounds, and nightly light and music fountain show at the Esplanade. Throughout the year, Suria KLCC hosts cultural events, seasonal decorations, art installations, and promotional sales. During holidays like Chinese New Year, Hari Raya, or Christmas, the central atrium transforms into a beautiful photo zone. It's also a hub for business travelers and tourists, with direct access to the LRT light rail train and underground pedestrian tunnels that connect to nearby landmarks like the Convention Center and Pavilion Mall. Whether you're here to shop, dine, relax, or just soak up the city vibes, Suria KLCC offers a little bit of everything right in the beating heart of Kuala Lumpur. Now I invite you to watch the video until the end to discover the beauty of the largest shopping center in Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next video.
Acquatic Park.